Motion, the strength to move the world. Numerous motions create the present and go beyond to lead us to a new world. Constantly evolving potential. A motion evolves into another motion, transforming the world into a better environment. We study motion and get ahead in leading the motion. KCC Precision. We move. We manufacture various automation products that make the world run and work. Automation products such as machine tools, industries, automobiles, railroads, shipbuilding, power plants, aviation, and robotic systems are widely used in our daily lives. Our main products, pneumatic cylinders, solenoid valves, hydraulic cylinders, air preparation units, and grippers, and all other products are manufactured through systematic management. Our clean room assembly line is suitable for foreign substance-sensitive products, and our automated line is equipped with a self-designed and developed multi-access machine. We also have a precise inspection system with various test equipment and verification processes. These enable us to produce products with excellent quality. We move. Annually, we invest more than 10% of our total revenues in research and development, and 15% in the R&D workforce. Through systematic R&D, we strengthen the capabilities of our products and release new products every year. We always develop stable and high-quality products that our customers can trust. We never stop moving forward, creating the world's finest quality. We move. We provide services so that customers can lead a comfortable life at all times. Our technology is used in various places. The subway that we use every day is equipped with KCC's cold-resistant valve. Machine tools and molds use high-temperature valves, while our special gripper is used for robot arms. We also supply to various industries, such as rechargeable batteries, automobiles, LCDs, semiconductors, robotics, and develop custom-made products to meet the customer's needs. Now, we are growing into a specialized company that offers pneumatic and hydraulic products across the world as a global brand. KCC Precision will create a pleasant and convenient world for you. A more convenient world. KCC Precision.